how to send message on TikTok. So today in this video I will be showing you how can you send message on TikTok. But before that, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's get started. So the first thing is you have to open up your TikTok application on your device and you must log into your account. Remember that in order to send message to someone you need to log into your account. For logging in, you can simply tap on your profile at the right bottom corner and here will be the option for logging in. You can select the preferred one or you can enter your credentials and log into your account. Once you are logged in, you will be able to see your profile. So in order to send message, you have to tap on the inbox option which is right next to profile at the right bottom corner, and here you will be able to see all of the notification and also the inbox and chat with the friends or other person on the TikTok. You have to select and open the inbox of the person to whom you want to send the message. But before sending the message, remember that you can only send the message to the person who follows you and also you follow back. If the person doesn't follow you, then you won't be able to send message to them. This is a privacy policy or the terms and condition of TikTok. So once you are friend with the person, you can open up the inbox and you'll be able to see this interface. For sending a message, you can tap on send a message option or the text box at the lower button and you can type the message over here. After that, you can tap on send or the paper airplane option at the right hand side and it will be sent to the person. So this is how you message on TikTok. I hope this video was helpful. If you have got any queries regarding this video, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.